One of the biggest questions that we get is, how can I get financing for my modular home? My bank literally will not give me financing. Well, guys, stick around. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 awesome ways that you could get financing for modular homes. Because remember, modular is the future and the future is here.
It just helps production out back know exactly what your change orders are.
What's up, guys? My name is Chris, your home expert here at Saddlebrooke Homes, and I can't wait to share these 3 ways that you can get one of our homes or any modular home finance. Guys, this video is so exciting for me because, like I said, modular homes are their future and they are here to stay. Not only can you get an affordable home, customize it the way you want, great quality, built in a quality controlled environment, and have the best customer service in one. But now you can also finance these homes, making it easier and almost impossible not to get one of these homes. I'm serious. So guys, we're going to go over the 3 options. Let's start with number 1. We have our rent to own option. Guys, and I'm telling you, I'm going from the least to the best. Like, this is insane. You're going to want to stay to the end of the video. Okay. Rent to own, only up to $35,000, no credit check required, instant approval. Now, what do you need to get rent to own? The quick answer is not much. The long answer is you are going to need 2 references with their phone numbers, an active ID, and an active bank account. It's literally that simple. It's that easy, and boom, you get approved on the spot. Everyone is included. Here's what I will say. $35,000, you're probably looking at a do-it-yourself project. I can get you probably a shell and maybe a shell with some finish work or a repo. Now you may ask yourself, what is a repo? It's a smaller home that has been repossessed and now is on the market and selling again. Guys, option number 2, and this is going to be the greatest option for some of you. This is our property improvement loan or our personal loan, up to $100,000. With some exceptions. Now you may ask yourself, what are some of the requirements to get approved for this loan? And what are those exceptions that you just talked about, Chris? That's a great question that you asked. All right, so check this out. Our property improvement loan looks at 3 major things. Number 1, your income, 2, your debt, and 3, your credit score. Now I'm not gonna lie, anybody above maybe like a 680 can get approved. But what I've seen for you to get approved for that $100,000 range is your credit has to be anywhere around 750 to 780, around there and up. Now, I will say there are some exceptions. Do you have a co-applicant with a strong credit score? Now, here's what I've seen. I've seen the main applier have great income but a low credit score, and the co-applicant have low income but an amazing credit score. And their combination actually helps them get approved for $100,000 and plus in some cases. Now, you may ask yourself, what are the exceptions to get approved for more? 180, 150, 200? If you get approved for $100,000 on the spot, it means you have a great debt to income, a great credit score, and the bank is most likely feeling comfortable with lending you another $100,000. So if you get approved instantly for $100,000, your chances of getting an exception and getting more money approved are high. Now, here are some things to look out for with my property improvement loan. I will say it has to be on residential land and it has to be improving your property. What does this mean for you? Number 1, if your land is zoned commercial or farmland, I'm not going to say there is a 0% chance of you getting approved, but there is definitely going to be a cap on your approval. So if you can usually get approved for $100,000, you might only get approved for $40,000 because of the land zoning. And number 2 is raw land. Since it is a property improvement loan, it has to improve an existing structure. It cannot be raw land. If your land does not have an existing structure such as a 5th wheel camper, a home, a mobile home, a trailer, a barn, the chances of you getting approved are probably lower, not because of your credit, not because of your income, but because of your land. So those are just some things to look out for. Guys, we're finally at the third and most probable financing option for most, our 30-year mortgage. Now, you may ask yourself, what's the difference between your 30-year mortgage and our 30-year mortgage? The answer is not much. It's just like a regular 30-year mortgage. You need your pay stubs, you need your 2 years of your W-2, and they're going to check your credit. What I've seen is anything over a 640 credit score is going to get approved, assuming your debt to income is not too high. Now, check this out. Here are some things that are super cool about our 30-year mortgage. It doesn't matter if you have a raw piece of land. You can acquire Saddlebrooke's done for you package. I'll repeat that for you, done for you. What does this mean? It literally means what I said. Everything is done for you, and all you have to do is get the keys to your brand new home and move in furniture. That includes septic, electric, water, hookups, skirting, porching, all done for you in one loan. That's the cool thing about our 30-year mortgage. Now, here are some things to look out for. Our 30-year mortgages are a one-time close, which means we don't start building your home until you close. But once you close, it'll go quicker than you can imagine. Now, here's another thing to look out for. Yes, you do need at least 2 years of W-2. So if you don't have at least 2 years of W-2, I can put you in contact with my loan officer, and she will be able to help you and assist you to your steps you need to do moving forward. Guys, again, my name is Chris of Saddlebrooke Homes, and let me just go over our 3 financing options one more time. Number 1, rent to own up to $35,000, instant approval. Number 2, our property improvement loan up to $100,000 with exceptions. They're looking at debt, income, and credit score. Number 3, my 30-year mortgage that can save your investment. Guys, listen, 30-year mortgages are super cool. If you don't think you can afford a home, think again. That is an amazing option. And don't forget about our done for you option. Even if you need land clearing, if you need infrastructure, we got that covered. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I have answered some of your questions. If not, please write them down in the comments and I will address it in a further video. Guys, if you like this video, please make sure to drop a super big like. If you could double like, consider even double liking. Guys, if you know anybody that might need a home, please consider sharing this video and letting them get in contact with us. And if you across the screen are looking for our modular home, click the link in the bio and schedule a call with one of my home experts. I promise they're going to blow your mind with what we're going to offer. Guys, again, this is Chris from Saddlebrooke Homes, and I can't wait to see you soon.